Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for your person as to what are their feelings for you, what is the obstacle which is coming in the progress of this relationship forward, and what is the action which they are planning to take in the near future. Okay, so let's see what is your person feeling for you, Aquarians. What are your person's feelings for you? What are your person's feelings for Aquarians? For their feelings, we have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, let's see what is the obstacle. The Tower and the Hierophant has come up, so I'll take that. This is coming up as the obstacle, and let's see what is the action which they are planning to take in the near future. The Temperance. Okay, so as far as their feelings are concerned, this person perhaps views this relationship as a balanced one, or they are trying to balance it. It's something like that. That is what they feel. Let's see what is there for the Six of Pentacles. So for the Six of Pentacles, we have the Death and Rebirth, the Four of Swords, and the Judgment. Oof. So what I feel here is, Aquarians, that this person is trying to balance the relationship, and perhaps that is what they feel, that they are the one who is putting in all the effort perhaps, or they are the one who is carrying the burden of the relationship, or they are the one who are trying to balance the relationship. That is what they feel, and for that we have the Death and Rebirth, the Four of Swords, and the Judgment. So there is a decision over here perhaps to end this relationship, or it is ending, or it is some transition, and there is a lot of healing going on in this scenario. Somebody is perhaps even they are praying and wishing for a second chance. Maybe they want a second chance. Maybe this relationship has ended temporarily or permanently, I don't know, but this person is perhaps focusing on their own healing. They are just praying and wishing to God to have a second chance, perhaps, because this decision, it can be that they are wishing for a second chance. Not all of you. For others of you, that yes, some decision has been taken in this regard, or at least they are feeling that they should take this action, if they are, because it is coming in the feelings. So perhaps this is what they feel, that they need to end it. It can be that also, maybe not necessarily they have taken the action, though it may be, but it is not coming up in the actions. That's why I'm saying that maybe this is how they are feeling. Okay, and for the obstacles, we have the Tower and the Hierophant. So both of them are the major cards, and here, so this is something major going on here, Aquarians, in your life. And with the Tower and the Hierophant, what I feel, it is a sudden shake-up of the stability. If this relationship ship is a stable long-term relationship, okay, so it can be a marriage, it is a long-term commitment, definitely even a marriage, and there is a sudden shake-up, something which is shaking up the foundation of this relationship, and this is the obstacle over here. So let's see what do we have for this. For this we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so with the Seven of Pentacles, these things are the obstacles. So though there is a deep-rooted connection over here, but somebody is very, very upset because perhaps there is some love triangle involved. It can be that, not necessarily for all of you, but then yes, maybe they are just discussing with their family, their friends, as to how to sort it out. Can this really be sorted out? Because this person is actually contemplating on the amount of work they have put in the relationship, amount of time, amount of energy, amount of love and affection, whatever was there in this relationship, and it is breaking apart. So maybe that is, and they are trying to discuss it with the family and the friends, and this is the sudden shake up in this relationship, is this Tower. Something has happened. It can be a love triangle for some of you, but this is the obstacle over here, that this foundation of the marriage is being shaken up. Let's see, in the near future, the action is the Temperance. So maybe somebody here is trying to balance this relationship. Maybe they just want, some of you whosoever wants a second chance, maybe they are trying to balance this equation. And here we have the Ace of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Empress. So definitely this person wants to patch up. They will communicate with you. They are ready to open up. They are ready to open up and have a new beginning with you. And this person wants to communicate regarding that. This person wants the control back. Not in a negative way. They really want you back. this person really wants to solve this situation, and that is what here they are discussing with the family and friends. So this person really wants a new beginning with you. You can expect a communication from them. So maybe this situation has ended at some point in time. Maybe this person will talk, and they, both of you will communicate with each other and sort it out. For whatever the reason, this relationship has is on the verge of ending. At least that's what the feeling here is. Even if it has not ended, maybe that is what they are thinking of doing it, because perhaps they may not be finding a way out, but they will talk to you about it. They are ready for a new beginning. Now the decision depends on you, Capricorns, sorry, Aquarians, as to what would you like to do. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.